Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. I am Franklin and I'll be your instructor for this entire series. I want all of us to learn about Termux, starting from introduction, downloading to installation, learning about the Termux environment, the Termux basic command, and right into exploitation. If you are interested, please come with me. No hacking or programming skill is required. Don't worry, even if you don't have any computer skill, I'd like for you to subscribe to my channel and follow throughout this course. This is the only requirement I need from you. And today I am presented with a question of what rather than why. I know the question that is running through your mind right now. Let me guess. You may be asking, what is Termux? Well, Termux is an Android application. It's listed on the Google Play Store. Termux is also a hacking machine, an Android terminal emulator that emulates the Linux environment, and this application works without having to root your phone or your Android device. And in a short time, I'll be telling you how this Termux works. And you may be asking, Brother Franklin, how does this work? How it works is as good as what it works. And hey, robot, before I am done, remember to clean my name on that blackboard. The terminal emulator is basically an application that launches the command line program. The Termux app provides CLI environment and allows you to install an honest to goodness Linux app on your Android device. And now we are getting into something fascinating here now. Can I use Termux for hacking? Of course you can, and we'll be using Termux for hacking throughout this entire course. This is more a question of your skill rather than Termux future. And well, like I just told you, Termux is a hacking machine. Can I install Termux on SD cards? No, it cannot be installed there because external SD cards are usually formatted in FAT32 or ESFAT. This file system does not support for some features applicable to Unix permission. For example, program execution is not supported in the amount options, and moreover, Android applies a special overlay which enforces mentioned restrictions regardless of underlying systems. And you want to ask, is Termux same as Linux? Termux is an emulator and it has similar environment to the one in Linux distribution. However, it is important to know that Termux is just a regular application running on Android OS, just like every other Android application. Is Termux a complete Linux environment? Yes, Termux is a complete Linux environment, but it's not the traditional Linux distribution. As a matter of fact, Termux is not an operating system. It is a terminal emulator, an application that runs on Android device with a text-based interface for representing standard input, output, and error streams of program, typical of a shell script interpreter. And you want to ask, what can I do with Termux? Well, this is a question you will answer for yourself at the end of this Termux course. But before then, here are a number of common use cases for the Termux application. One in data processing with Python, programming in development environment, downloading, managing files and pages, using time establishment tools, and the rest of them. So Termux only works in Android 6.0 and above, and we can use several hacking tools in Termux. We can modify some features of Android phones with this amazing application. Please note that Termux is not a routing tool and will not even give you a routing privilege unless you are skilled enough to break into the Android OS and the security, and this is a step we are about to take. Must I root my phone before I can use Termux? Basically, Termux does not require device to be rooted. In fact, it is primarily targeted for non-rooted users. Here are other reasons you may want to root your Android device: to modify the device firmware, manipulate the parameters of operating systems or its core or kernel, non-interactively install uninstall APK. And I hope that Brother Franklin has answered most of your questions. And please, in our next video, we'll be downloading and we'll be installing Termux on our Android device and our Android OS, like my own device. I'll be installing it too. I'm excited. I hope you're excited about this as well. If yes, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I would like to read all of them, and some of you also would like to read them. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, comment, and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.